How to fix F3 error on Daikin AC, what it means, and how to solve it. What does the F3 error mean? The F3 error on your Daikin AC means there's a problem with the discharge, compressor outlet, temperature. Either it's too high or the sensor isn't reading correctly. In plain terms, it signals discharge pipe is too hot, or thermistor sensor is open, shorted, or disconnected. So basically, abnormal high temperature or sensor fault on the compressor's discharge line. Fix 1. Check refrigerant level. Low refrigerant is the most common cause. If it's low, you'll need to fix the leak and recharge the unit. Fix 2. Test the discharge pipe thermistor. Use a multimeter to check resistance. If it shows all open circuit or is out of spec, replace the thermistor. Replace the thermistor. Fix 3. Inspect for blocked or crushed piping. Bent, clogged, or dirty refrigerant lines can cause high discharge temps. Clear blockages or straighten hoses. Fix 4. Evaluate the expansion valve, TXV, of failing. Expansion valve may cause improper refrigeration flow. If symptoms include frost on the discharge or poor cooling, replace the valve. Fix 5. Check outdoor PCB and electrical connections. In rare cases, the outdoor control board or wiring connectors may be faulty. Inspect connectors and, if needed, replace the PCB. Fix 6. Reset the unit. After repairs, reset the system by power, cycling, or using the remote. Hold cancel for 5 seconds until 0 appears, then restart.